Hi guys, it's Jenny from SpottedJournal, and today I wanted to share a snail mail creative process with you. How did this come around? So after the paper gang subscription box, I realized that not every sticker is the same, and I came across Vivian, who's also got a YouTube channel called The Paper Letter Blog, and she happened to have this pattern on the stickers, and I just got really excited. I was like, oh my god, I'm so gutted. And then I thought, wait, let me see if she wants to do a swap, because then we get the best of both worlds, right? Here's my idea. I love tissue paper and I love the idea of the element of surprise, so I thought, what can I do to incorporate that? Pass the parcel, right? Pass the parcel, for anyone who is not familiar with pass the parcel, it's a parcel that you get with lots of layers of tissue paper, and between each layers there are gifts. It's kind of like a party game. We used to sit in a circle, the music kind of starts, and then we're like passing the parcel, and then the music stops. The person who's got the parcel gets a gift by unwrapping the first layer of that parcel, and I was just like, I want to be that girl who gets the gift. So the music starts again, and you have to pass the parcel, and you know, everyone's like trying to hold on to this parcel until the music stops. But yeah, everybody kind of like gets a go. So this is how I created my gifts. The last time I got a pen pal was when I was 10 years old, and a couple of years ago I did some pocket lettering, but I didn't realize how long it took to create a pocket letter, and I think I was overthinking it. I was getting a little bit anxious, but Vivian really reassured me and just was like, you know what, it's okay, just keep it simple, you just do you. And then I was like, so touched just how calm she was, and I was just like, no, I want to like do something here. So I got all excited and hyped up. But this is like a different feeling though. I definitely felt it was more like relaxed, like a happy process more than a stressful process. So here I'm about to prepare some magnets, and I thought, what's the best way to kind of put this in a layer of the parcels? And I put a little note to say, because you love cats, and I have used 2 magnets so that they stick onto each other, clipping over the piece of paper. And also I kind of noticed that she was quite interested in growing things as well, so I had some bee seeds in an envelope, and I thought I'd add a little note to say, grow these. Next I prepared some tea, because it seems like she likes tea. If she doesn't like that one, then I've also got a more traditional English tea. So I thought I'd use washi tape to kind of do the little flip things. Now it's the first time I've seen these done like this way, but a lollipop stick with washi tape. Usually I've seen them on tags and cards, so I've taken this idea straight from her channel when she discovered it as well, and I chose some of the washi tape that I thought that she would like. It kind of starts with the stickers first. I thought I'd put a little note on there to say it started with da 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 da. This is what me and Vivian agreed on, so I knew that she knows that this is the first thing that was coming. I wanted to include these type of wooden die cut. I had a few spare, and I thought I'd create a little envelope using a cat sheet, and I used double-sided tape and washi tape to kind of stick it all together and stamped the word hello onto it. When I get cards, I hate wasting it, especially when they have like beautiful inside patterns like this one. So I thought it would be a real shame just to chuck it into the bin, and I thought I would use it in this occasion. Created a little label with the lined paper, like with the gridded paper. I absolutely love gridded paper, and I used that as the white surface first. And of course I had to add some Araville's, sorry if I pronounced her name wrong, Araville's tape that I got from one of the Papergan subscription boxes. I absolutely love this autumnal pattern, so I had to include a bit of that. If you've seen my Tokyo Hands stationery haul, you will know that I love these cat stickers. I just had to put one of these babies in there. And of course, because we are sending letters, I decided to draw a few envelopes on the side, and just to add a pop of colour. And to finish it off, it is the little things that do count. So I had to put that little quote on there. On the back I wanted to start with the from address, and I used the same type of stamping here. So the memory card ran out of memory, and yeah, I didn't really get the final look, but this is how it kind of looks like. It's not all lost. We were nearly there, just needed to seal the envelope, and that was that. Yeah, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you like these type of videos by clicking on that thumbs up icon. If there's any other videos or any video ideas that you want me to do, leave them down below, and I shall see you next week, hopefully. Bye. By hitting, no, wait.